As an existing Reiki master, you have achieved complete mastery over the physical body, and now you're looking for a way to balance and evolve the emotional body and the spiritual body. I am so excited to share with you my Reiki Emotional and Spiritual Energy Bodies Specialist course. Within this course, we're going to go through the different emotions of the emotional body, as well as dive deeply into the spiritual body. We'll be working with the astral and causal bodies specifically. As with all my courses, you'll get an extensive step-by-step handbook along with your enrollment, video tutorials, and demonstrations. I am so honored to be a part of this journey with you. Thank you so much. Keep shining your light, and I will see you in class.